is the Stringray. It is a Lego MOC. It has an opening cockpit, not usual for this kind of cockpit to open with connected in the front for it to go like that. There's a person in here with one eyeball I got from a Mixel set, and a lightsaber in the back, right here. So if we put him back down, let me close that. It has moving back steering fins. It has, well, actually, yeah, it has a tilted back fin. So that's about it. And then also it has a stand that it connects onto, like this, so it can easily fly off. And I did that by using these pieces down here, right here, which reunite with these. They go inside the little holes on here. Don't know if you can see. And then when you put them back like this, it goes in and it's able to slide freely. Also on the bottom, this is the bottom view. It has hover capsules right here. And that's about it.